16 successful way to make money online in 2023. The world is becoming more virtual, increasing the number of ways can make money online. And online work from home situations offer a lots of fears, including flexibility, a comfortable environment, and not stressful commute. Whether you are struggled in the office or ready to make a change, or just looking for the convenient way to make money on the side, check out the list of options on how to make money online. Way to make money online: start a blog. If you love the write and have something useful to inspiring to say, considering starting a blog. A blog is a website where you share your idea and practice with the reader. Before you start share your thought, you need to create a website. You can hear the something to blend it for you. Do not your website and builders like Squarespace make it really easy to put together a website is your own even with the no previous experience. Once your site is up, it is all about the right about good content or consistency or promoting your blog to attract the subscribers. If you want to monetize your blog, you need to audience, then you can use method like affiliate marketing, earning income, thought product recommendation, and ads. You can also create your own product or service and sell it on your website. Complete online survey. If you are looking to get this online survey are not way to do, or however you can earn other regret by sharing your opinions on different product or website like survey link junk. By filtering in survey, you make some extra cash to spend on daily expenses such as gas and Zurich on your get gift card or different story and restaurant like Amazon, Walmart, and Target. Start a side hustle. Having a side hustle or side geek additional to full-time job to pretty normal, and thus many people make the decent amount of money using side hustle apps such as the DoorDash or Ubers. If you become an Uber driver, you can look for the other opportunities with apps like Truck Reboot or Handy. You can get the hire for randoms and jobs for neighbors. If you want to side hustle that gets your outsides and moving, check out of the rover gaps and find doc making client. Sell website for online business. Got a website and online business with the decent following paragraphs and describe domain name for register in your name. 3 money to make for the Philip website. You need just to make the where to look. Obtain the biggest handles to need figure on how much the website is business it or and finding interest buyers website and site to or 2 or 3 times annual profit they generate. Although there is not distorted that can variety considerable for a better idea. Considering the professional value of the ones you are the settled on the ask price, look for and online market the specialist of their types of transaction of importance of the finding somewhere safe that can attract many potential buildings at possible. Philips, who is also obtained free website valuation tools, is considered one of the best. Write a newsletter. An online newsletter is an email you can send out of the subscriber to share information to promote a product or service. They say of a blog, so your YouTube channel that it is about yoga. In your newsletter, you can promote a favorite yoga while using affiliate links. If your readers click on the links, it is money your food pocket. You can also add your newsletter to promote your later online yoga workshop, you one time on online yoga coaching center, and your competitive marks. Create your own websites. You are always in demand of your being the next big YouTuber star. Now your chance to make money online. YouTube's you can view and subscribe a lot of them to quality of the YouTube partner program. You need to latest 1000 subscriber and 4000 hour public watch times over the last 12 and or 1000 subscribers within 10 millions public short video view with the last 19 days. If you can meet their criteria, it is possible to earn money using your Facebook channel, YouTube channel. You can try profit from the advertisement revenue, channel membership, and selling merchant in your website store. Write an ebooks. Having you been the sitting on your book idea of share? If so, why not try to self-published and sales on ebook online from financial advice and self-help to cookbook and function? There is no into what you can write about. If you have the expertise on the subject and want to share your knowledge, and ebooks it is gateway to get the world out there. There are many online ebook publishers including Amazon, Kindles, Saswalt, and Rank.Up Right above. It is easy to take the significant amount of effort of their font in, but once you hit published, your ebook is the passive income potential. Overacting for thus with the beautiful unique of radio announce of tones have the consider over work. Successful voice over the across have been the background of acting thought it is not necessary and able to difficult characters in voice over the across can find the work narrating ebook online video or online ad. To get the share you will need to professional portfolio share with the potential client. Voice over acting also the requires some initial investment. You will need to parts a microphone and headphone as well as the voice recording or editing softwares. Become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant to remote work who offer the administrative support to difficult client. Successful virtual assistant at the organization reliable and take service the extra job tasks with and do a virtual assistant are very greatly based on your skill to set